So, in all honesty, I would absolutely prefer to just upload a video in YouTube and just let it go and not worry about all the titles and descriptions and keywords and thumbnail creation. I find it to be kind of a pain in the creative process, but it is necessary. And when I'm scrolling through YouTube, obviously a thumbnail grabs my attention, and so it matters. And so finally, with Sorceress Creation Suite, I have found a really, really good solution that my brother Aaron, who developed the suite, taught me, and I'm going to show you now.
So keep in mind these thumbnails are in the style of having the text over top of a background image with a cropped version of perhaps yourself. I'll just show you mine as an example. So I've been working with this concept. I mean, maybe it'll work, maybe they won't, but it's giving some level of consistency. And I have had many channels over the years on many subjects, and I've really struggled with having consistency in my thumbnails. So let's give it a go. So basically, we open up Sorceress Game Creation Suite and we go to the image generator. And I'm going to show you a couple steps here. So the model that works very well is GPT Image 2. So pretty much any other model doesn't seem to work as well for this particular prompt as this model. So we just start by selecting that in the back of Sorceress. And then we need to find a font. So you can scroll YouTube and get some ideas, and maybe you really like this font right here. It pops really well. So you can print screen, select the font and save it. And I have a little fonts folder for this type of thing. Nice to stay organized if possible. So here we go. So here is our prompt. So we basically are going to need three things: a background image, a font, and if you want the cropped image of yourself, then we also need that cropped image of yourself. So our prompt is this, and as well as whatever title it is that we want to use. So we basically just put the prompt in, choose the 3:2 ratio. And now here I have the ability to put three images. And in this case, I am adding the title to the first image. So my background image, I went and created a couple options here. Yeah, this looks super YouTubey. So I'm going to save this one and upload it. So that's my first image. Use the font style from the second image, but don't use the words. So I have just saved that into my folder, my fonts folder. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so we tried this one. And now this is a new font than what I've been using, but just for the sake of testing. And now I need the image of myself. And simple, so generate, it'll give me 4 images with GPT Image. And let's see how it does. Now, the first couple times I did this, it kind of made my brain hurt, but now it seems pretty simple. And yeah, it just does a really, really good job of giving options. And yeah, you can easily create background ideas back here with whatever model you like, and try different fonts. And I'll show you some of the ones that I've been working on while we wait. So yeah, it was these, which gives 4 different ways. I think it does a pretty good job at getting the idea across. I'm a baby channel. I have got 9 subscribers right now. So, okay, cool. This is great. It's impressive. I mean, I've spent hours in Canva doing this kind of thing. These are great. And there's just one other step, because this GPT Image 2 doesn't do the perfect sizing for YouTube. It does a 3:2 ratio. So what we need to do is just send this to the expander. So here we go, send to expander, super easy and very few credits. And now all it's going to do is expand the image, and then it will be perfect for YouTube. So yeah, let's try this. What I'm finding with Sorceress is it just is actually making so much stuff feel way more fun than it was feeling before I started. Oh my gosh, you should have seen my thumbnails before. My brother's like, you need to learn how to do thumbnails, sis. So yeah, we'll give this a try. You too.